A shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 643.80 after offering a discount of 26%. Had he not offered the discount, he would have earned profit of 16%. The CP of item is. So here you have to understand he's talking about the same item, so which means the cost price is going to remain the same. So यहाँ पर मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में SP दिया हुआ है, which is 643.8, and this is after 26% discount, correct? Which means 643.8 का जो SP है, that is representing 74% of marked price, right? So this will be 643. If I take this here, 80 upon 74 should be the mark price. I will actually get the mark price from here. ये कटना चाहिए मेरे भाई से. 6438 divided by 74. $32. तो this value has to be more than 7. So 8 से कैलकुलेट करके देखते हैं. 74 into 18. 2, 3, 56, 59, 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 12, 13. So let us do the calculation method by 37, and here it will be 32190. Now 3219 divided by 37, so 321 को 37 से डिवाइड करूंगा. 3219 divided by 37, so 37 into 9, 3627, 333, so 37 by 8 जाएगा. 56, 6, 5, 24, 296. so 8 से करेंगे तो 296 आता है. so this will be 21 plus 4, 25, और ये 9 बच गया और एक 0 और इधर. So now again we will see. So now it should be by 7 it should go. 7 7 is 49, 9 4 21, 259. Oh, चला गया पूरा. 7 से चला गया. 259. तो 70 डाल देंगे 0. Right. So here this calculation is my MP is 870. So I got my MP based on this calculation, right? 870 is my MP. Now what they're saying is, had he has not offered the discount, he would have earned profit of 16%. Which means अगर उसने 870 का मार्क प्राइस है, तो नॉट ऑफर्ड द डिस्काउंट मतलब उसने सेलिंग प्राइस भी 870 में ही बेचा होगा. उस पर कितना परसेंट प्रॉफिट मिलता है? 16%. मतलब अगर 100 का सीपी था तो 116 का एसपी होगा कि नहीं होगा? नाउ दिस 116 is representing 870. I want to calculate how much is 100 representing, because CP calculate करना है मेरे को. So it will be 100 upon 116 into 870. Actually, let me calculate if this value was correct, because I think वो directly कटना चाहिए. Normally some में नहीं कटता है, तो then there should have been some issue. 64380 divided by 74 is 870. It's correct. So we'll have to do this calculation. 50, 58, 25, 29. तो ये 29 जाएगा 3 से. यस, 29 3s are 30. So 25 into 3, 750. So my cost price here should have been 750. So what did we do? I didn't know the cost price, but I know that this selling price 643.8 was achieved after getting 26% discount, which means this price is representing 74% of MP. We did the division method, we found MP as 870. but this 870, they are asking me if you have not offered the discount, which means my SP would be 870, and this would give me 16% profit. मतलब 100 पे 116, तो 116 की वैल्यू 870 मिलती है, तो 100 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 750. Clear? Fantastic. Nice sir. An article is sold for 716 after offering a discount of 10.5%. If a discount of 6.5% is given, how much it should be sold for? तो SP दिया है मेरे को 716 rupees, and it is being sold after giving a discount of 10.5%. So there is a discount, which means this 716 is representing, the 716 is equal to 89.5% of MP. Correct? Now they are saying how much should it be, how much it should be sold for if 6.5% discount is given. So which means if 6.5% of discount is given, they have been asking me the value of 103 is 93.5. तो 93.5% of MP की वैल्यू पूछ रहे हैं मेरे को. तो आई एम कंपेयरिंग अगेंस्ट द MP ओनली. तो बेसिकली आई कैन डू 93.5 upon 89.5 into 716, because my comparison is happening against mark price only, so I can use the cross multiplication method. अब भाई क्या करें इसको? 935 upon 895 into 716. 5 से कर ले या 25 से कर लेते हैं, जाएगा शायद. 75, 25 3s are 75, 85, 95. Oh God. 5 से करके देखते हैं. 5 1s are 5, 43, 8 187. 5 1s are 5, 39, 7 5s are 35, 45, 179. यहाँ 179 है और यहाँ 6 है. Three, 8, 35, 7, 5 1 for 39, 7 5 are 35, 45, 9. Should get calc. I think 15, 16, 17. 4 से कटना चाहिए शायद. देखो 179 into 4, 9 4s are 36, 6 3 28. Forever 4 से कटेगा this into 4. So 187 into 4 should be representing the selling price for 9 after giving 6.5%. So 187 divided by 4, 8, 2, 32, 4, 32, 34, 4, 3, 7. So it should be sold for 748 if I were to give 6.5% discount on MP. So मेरे को अगर 10.5% डिस्काउंट के बाद 716 मिलता है, तो 6.5% डिस्काउंट के बाद में कितना मिलेगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से. सिंपल सम में कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन है. सो वी जस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय 5 एंड वी सॉ दैट वो 779 into 4 चला जाता है. ओके, एंड वी फाउंड द न्यू सेलिंग प्राइस. बहुत सारे वीडियोस है, प्लीज इस वीडियोस को देखिए और लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को. आई विल गेट मोर एंड मोर मोटिवेटेड. इफ यू हैव any doubts connecting to these videos or any other problems, please get in touch with me on my number, on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp to me. Thank you so much.